at the end, it spits out the debt service to cash flow ratio. And the ratio usually needs to be over 1.25.
Do you have a general framework that you like to use for testing if a deal is safe, like DSCR or any other basic framework where before you take it to market, you've given yourself a gut check to say, this is a good valuation. The market can support it, a lender can support it. What do you look at?
When we do our valuation for a client, we actually plug it into a price test. If it's under 5 million and we know it will be financed with an SBA loan, we need to make sure that it's going to value. We put it into a price test analysis. This spreadsheet, actually, we back out a fair market salary for the buyer. Sometimes it's a little difficult to figure out, but we know our area. We know the salary that a lender may put in there. It's a little counterintuitive, but even when they're working with SDE or cash flow, in their analysis for coverage, they put in a replacement salary for the buyer. So maybe it's $100,000. And then also it works in some working capital as well. So if they're financing working capital, that also has to go into that analysis. And then it'll calculate what their loan payment is based on the current interest rate, a 10-year amortization, based on the SBA fees and everything. And at the end, it spits out the debt service to cash flow ratio. And the ratio usually needs to be over 1.25. For some banks, they want 1.4. So we always do that for deals that are going to be financed by an SBA loan. If it's not in range, we have to go back to the drawing board or go back to the client and say, look, even if you want this price, either you're going to have to do some seller financing or something, because a bank is not going to finance it at that price. It just won't cash flow.
Yeah.